Hey, everybody, welcome back to a new school year. I know it's not exactly how we wanted to start it, but we're going to do the best that we can, and I'm going to try and make this as authentic as I possibly can for you. So, this is my little introduction, a little bit about me as your teacher and what you guys are going to learn this year. Um, some of the things that I'm going to talk about are things about me, what I teach, a little bit about the courses that you'll be taking, and my favorite part about being a member of the Winton Woods Middle School staff. So, a little bit about me. My name is Mrs. Carly Bongiorno. You can call me Mrs. B, Mrs. Carly, Mrs. Bongiorno. Any of those work. I know a lot of people have a hard time with my last name. I have a bachelor's degree in theoretical physics, so I did not originally go to school to be a teacher. I kind of tripped and fell into this profession, and I loved it so much that this is what I continue to do. I've been teaching now. This is my 13th year in education. I have a master's degree in STEM curriculum and instruction. That stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. I'm technically an employee of Great Oaks Career Campuses, and I'm contracted out to teach pre-engineering here at Winton Woods Middle School. One of my favorite things to do in the world is sing. I'm also married. I have two kids, one daughter who is 6 years old and going into first grade who has Down syndrome, and my son is 21 and is in the U.S. Navy. So I teach on your schedule. It's called Gateway to Technology. I call it Project Lead the Way because that's actually the name of the course, or PLTW. There are 3 different PLTW courses that I teach here at Winton Woods Middle School. Those are Automation and Robotics, Medical Detectives, and Design and Modeling. So first semester, I teach 2 courses. I teach Medical Detectives and Design and Modeling. Each one of those classes is 9 weeks long. So for the first and second quarters, we will be doing Medical Detectives and then Design and Modeling. This course is designed to be a 7th and 8th grade mix, so your classmates will be a combination of 7th and 8th graders. The first course for first quarter is going to be Medical Detectives. And in that class, you're going to learn what vital signs are, how to take patients' vital signs, how to diagnose illnesses, how to investigate different types of antibiotics and their effectiveness on certain types of bacteria. There is a brain dissection involved, and usually do a crime scene. And I'm going to find a way to modify that if we're still doing distance learning when that part comes up. Second quarter is our design and modeling class. In this course, you're going to learn the engineering design process, how to plan and then build solutions to real world problems. And then ultimately, you're going to be taught how to use a computer-aided design program. And this year, we're using Tinkercad. And then you'll be able to 3D print. And again, if we are going to distance learn this year, my hope is that you guys will be able to share with me your Tinkercad designs. I can 3D print them and then mail them to you so that you have those to take home. So we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay. And then the last course that I teach is Automation and Robotics. I only teach this course second semester. So this is only third and fourth quarter, and it is only 8th graders. And typically we like the 8th graders to have taken the Medical Detectives and Design and Modeling courses. But in this class, we talk about the effects that robots have on society. You learn about different mechanisms and how to build them and how they change motion, how they change direction of motion. You're going to learn the design process, and eventually you will learn programming or coding, and we will automate those things just like a robot. All right. My favorite part about being a teacher here at Winton Woods Middle School is our school culture. The people and friends that I've made here, I can't say enough great stuff about them. Your teachers here at Winton Woods, they love you and they love each other. Everybody works together. It's probably one of the most positive school cultures I've ever experienced in my career. And this is just a couple ways that you can get in touch with me. This information will also be posted on Echo directly, and I will give you links and various other ways to find this information. My email address is my last name dot first name at wittenwoods.org. And my office line number is area code 513-341-5524. So if you need me for anything, you can call that number and leave a message. If you need me to return that call, please let me know. And keep in mind that the number you'll see on your caller ID will be 513-341-5524. All right. I hope that we have a really great year, and I'm really crossing my fingers that I get to see you all in person in my classroom before you move out of my course. So let me know if you need anything, and I'm here to help.